Welcome to Greece, a land of stunning landscapes, rich history, and one of the world's most celebrated cuisines. From the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean to the mountainous villages, Greece offers a culinary experience that's as diverse as its geography. Today, we're taking you on a journey through the top 8 must-eat dishes that will make you book a flight instantly. Whether you're a street food lover or craving a fine dining experience, these dishes are the heart and soul of Greek cuisine. Let's explore. Number 8. Souvlaki. We kick off our countdown with souvlaki, Greece's beloved street food. Tender chunks of pork or chicken are marinated in olive oil, lemon juice, oregano, and garlic, then grilled to perfection. Served on a skewer or wrapped in warm pita bread, souvlaki is the ultimate fast food with layers of flavor, savory meat, tangy tzatziki, and the freshness of tomatoes and onions. Whether you're on a busy street in Athens or by a beachside taverna, this dish is everywhere, and it's the perfect introduction to Greece's rich culinary heritage. Souvlaki traces its roots back to ancient Greece, where it was known as kandalos. Mentioned in Homer's epics, it was traditionally cooked over a fire on small spits. This simple, ancient cooking technique has evolved, but souvlaki remains a timeless favorite that connects modern Greece to its culinary past. Number 7. Dolmades. At number 7, we have dolmades, tender grape leaves stuffed with a flavorful mixture of rice, fresh herbs like dill and mint, and sometimes ground meat. These delicate little parcels are a perfect balance of tangy and savory, often served as an appetizer or part of a mise spread. The care that goes into preparing dolmades reflects the Greek love for sharing food, often made in large batches for family gatherings. The history of dolmades can be traced back to the Ottoman Empire, where the term dolma means to stuff. Over time, Greeks made it their own, filling vine leaves with local ingredients and adding regional variations, making it a staple across the country. Number 6. Spanakopita. Coming in at number 6 is Spanakopita, a savory pie made with spinach, feta cheese, and herbs, all wrapped in thin, crispy layers of phyllo pastry. It's light yet indulgent, making it a popular snack or side dish. The contrast between the flaky pastry and the creamy, tangy filling is simply irresistible. Whether enjoyed at home, in a cafe, or from a bakery, Spanakopita is an essential part of Greek cuisine. Spanakopita dates back to ancient Greece, where pies were a common way to use up grains, vegetables, and cheeses. Over the centuries, the technique of working with delicate phyllo dough developed in the Byzantine era, making Spanakopita a cultural and culinary treasure. At number 5, we have the ultimate comfort food, moussaka. This iconic Greek dish consists of layers of eggplant, minced lamb or beef, and a cinnamon-spiced tomato sauce, all topped with a creamy bechamel layer. Baked to golden perfection, moussaka is a warm, hearty dish that's synonymous with Greek hospitality. You'll find it on nearly every taverna menu, especially in the islands and mountainous regions. Moussaka's origins are debated, but its current form was popularized in the 1920s by Greek chef Nikolaos Tselementes, who introduced bechamel to the dish. Its roots, however, lie in the layered casseroles of the Middle East and the Balkans, which were adapted to suit Greek ingredients and tastes. In 4th place is fava, a humble yet flavorful dish made from yellow split peas. Often served as an appetizer or as part of a mise, it's smooth, creamy, and typically garnished with capers, onions, and a generous drizzle of olive oil. Fava captures the simplicity and depth of Greek cuisine, where quality ingredients shine. Its roots lie in the volcanic soil of Santorini, giving it a unique, rich flavor. Fava has been a staple of the Greek diet since ancient times, particularly in Santorini, where the soil gives the yellow split peas their distinct taste. It's one of the oldest known dishes, a testament to Greece's agricultural heritage and its reliance on local, seasonal produce. At number 3, we have Kleftiko, a slow-cooked lamb dish that practically melts in your mouth. Traditionally cooked in an underground oven, the lamb is marinated with garlic, lemon, and herbs, wrapped in parchment, and slow roasted until tender. The dish gets its name from the klefts, or bandits, who would cook meat in underground pits to avoid detection. Today, Kleftiko is a popular dish served at celebratory meals and gatherings. Kleftiko dates back to the time of the Greek War of Independence, when rebels, or klefts, would steal lamb and cook it secretly in underground pits to avoid the smoke and scent that could give away their location. This cooking technique has been passed down through generations, creating one of Greece's most flavorful lamb dishes. Our runner-up is the quintessential Greek salad, or horiatiki. This fresh, vibrant salad combines the best of Mediterranean produce, juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and tangy olives, topped with a block of creamy feta cheese and drizzled with extra virgin olive oil. It's a perfect representation of the Greek approach to food: simple, fresh, and flavorful. Enjoyed as a side dish or on its own, Greek salad is a must during any meal. Greek salad evolved from the rural dishes of Greek farmers, who would gather fresh vegetables and feta during their breaks. Over time, this simple dish became a symbol of Greek cuisine, embodying the Mediterranean diet's emphasis on fresh, seasonal ingredients. And finally, at number 1, we have Gyro, the undisputed king of Greek street food. Gyro is made from meat, usually pork or chicken, cooked on a vertical rotisserie, then thinly sliced and served in a pita with tomatoes, onions, fries, and creamy tzatziki sauce. The combination of juicy meat, crispy fries, and tangy yogurt is pure magic. Whether you're grabbing a quick bite or enjoying it after a long day exploring, nothing beats the satisfaction of a perfectly made gyro. The gyro has roots in the Middle East, where similar dishes like shawarma and doner kebab originated. It made its way to Greece in the early 20th century, where it was adapted with local ingredients, particularly pork and tzatziki, giving it a distinctively Greek flavor. And there you have it, the top 8 must-eat dishes in Greece. From the street food favorite gyro to the rich and hearty moussaka, Greek cuisine offers a flavor experience like no other. If you enjoyed this culinary journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious adventures worldwide. Let us know in the comments. What's your favorite Greek dish? Or did we miss one of your top picks? Share your thoughts and let's keep the conversation going.